Here's a helpful video for those of you who might have a difficult time figuring out the angles for a winder stairway. So let's go ahead and get started with a square that's 3 foot by 3 foot and then 4 foot and 5 foot. So we have longer boxes here. And the reason why I'm providing you with the bigger squares is to show you that the angles don't change. And this is where a couple of our viewers got a little confused. So the angles are going to be coming off of the center point here. And if I draw one line right down the middle, this is going to be a 45-degree angle. And it will connect at the opposite corner. And the key here is to have a square with the same measurements and angles all the way around. Now if I draw two lines, I'm going to have a 30-degree angle for each one of the segments. And this will be the most common winder used, or should I say at least in the United States. Because in other countries you might have 3 lines or 4 segments with 22.5-degree angles. Next up is going to be 4 lines and 5 segments at 18-degree angles. And the last one I'm going to provide you with will have 5 individual lines, and each one of the segments will be 15 degrees. So that would be 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and then 45 degrees. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the walk lines. If we come in 12 inches and draw a parallel line, so we have a parallel line to this, parallel line to this, we're going to have a 12-inch walk line with this. And most minimum walk line measurements are going to be 10 inches for residential stairways and 12 inches for public stairways. However, some states do have a 9-inch minimum tread measurement. So you can see with this one right here, no problem, going to work great. With this one here, we have almost 7 inches and 7 3/16 inches. If we draw our lines like this, and you can see where this one is going to be a problem. And if you use a circle like we do here with a 12-inch radius, so that would be 12 inches and 12 inches from here to here, we're going to end up with 4 7/8 inches. And you can see where this one probably isn't going to work either. And something you really need to be aware of. This is going to produce a difficult stairway to walk up. However, it might not be that difficult if you walk around the outer perimeter of the stairway, and that's probably what most people are going to do. And that's as far as I'm going to go here, because the other ones are going to be even worse to walk up and down, even though I have seen them used in other countries. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.